How to create multiple Safari profiles on your Mac. If you want to keep your work, personal, or school browsing separate, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Safari app on your Mac. Next, click Safari in the menu bar, then select Settings. Now, click the Profiles tab. Click Start Using Profiles if you're setting up profiles for the first time, or click the plus button to create a new profile. Enter a name for your new profile, then choose a symbol and color to help identify it. Next, select the folder where you'd like to store bookmarks for this profile, or create a new bookmarks folder if needed. Once you've finished, click Create Profile. To switch between profiles, click the Profiles button in the Safari toolbar and select the profile you want to use. Each profile keeps its own browsing history, cookies, extensions, tab groups, and favorites separate from the others. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.